Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. It's Ravi Vanakuru and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about WordPress. But before going to our topic, if you are a new visitor of our channel, please do subscribe. Okay, let's go to our topic WordPress. WordPress is a open source CMS software. Okay, all right. And what is CMS? CMS means content management system. Using these kind of softwares, we can manage our content very easily by using their dashboards. Alright, so we have many CMS softwares like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, etc. But why we are taking WordPress for our today's session? Because WordPress has almost 33% of the uh, you know um, world wide web powered websites. That means for each and every 100 websites, the 33 websites are powered by WordPress only. That much popular this tool is. Okay, now we'll see how to install this WordPress in your local machine. If you have a already hosting account with your domain name, you can go to your control panel, and from there you will have option to install WordPress. But in this video we are going to install WordPress in our local machine, right? To install WordPress we need some pre-requirements. Those are: first we need to install a server in our local machine. If you are using Windows, you can use WAMP. If you are using Mac, you can use MAMP, or you can choose XAMPP also. Okay. In my machine, I have already installed MAMP, right? See, this is MAMP. To install MAMP, you just need to go to Google, search for MAMP. You can see that here MAMP has a two different versions. One is a free version and one is a paid version. In the free version, you will get all the requirement which we need to required for a web server. But in the pro version, you will have some additional options, like you can create your custom local host URLs, and you can create hosts, and you can manage databases from there only. Okay, for this tutorial you can use whatever server you want, like it can be XAMPP, it can be WAMP, or it can be MAMP. To install this kind of servers, those are pretty straightforward. Just need to download that execution file. Just click on next. Once you install that your servers in your local machine, you can check that local host. Since I have already installed my MAMP in my local machine, it is showing that my MAMP is working. If you are using XAMPP also, you need to go to you need to use same URL called localhost. If you are in WAMP also, you can go to localhost. It will show you the default server pages. If you see this kind of default pages, you are good to go with WordPress installation. Alright, we have already installed our server. Now we'll go to WordPress. To download WordPress software, we need to go to wordpress.org. After opening this website, you can see that Get WordPress button. Just click on that button, it will redirect to download page. As of now, today I am recording this video. The today's WordPress version is 5.1.1. This is the latest version of the WordPress till date. Okay. Once you click on this download WordPress button, you will get a .zip file. Since I have already downloaded it, see, you will get this kind of WordPress 5.1.1 .zip. You need to extract this file, then you will get a WordPress folder. Alright. After extracting this, copy that folder into your localhost directory. If you are using XAMPP, you need on Windows, you can go to C drive, XAMPP. I guess it is C drive, XAMPP, localhost, um, and there you can paste this WordPress folder. Okay, since I am using Mac and MAMP, no need to copy this folder from into other localhost directories. Okay, in a MAMP Pro, you can see that you will have an option to add a folder. You can give it your name like WordPress, and you can create your database name called WordPress, and you can select your folder like this is my WordPress directory. Okay, and this is our URL and this is our database name, and here is my path of the folder WordPress copy. Okay, once you click on this create button, you are going to see that you will have a WordPress host. If you are using a XAMPP or WAMP, you just need to copy that WordPress folder into your localhost folder and then go to localhost slash WordPress. That is your path for XAMPP or WAMP servers. Since I am using MAMP, my WordPress address is just WordPress. Once you open that URL, it will automatically redirect to wp-admin setup.config.php, setup-config.php. That means the installation process of WordPress has been started. You just need to follow these steps. Just select your language, continue. See, it is giving some instructions. First, you need to create a database name and database username, passwords, and hostname. Since we have already created a database, and we know the database user root and passwords, we can proceed to installation. Let's go. See, our database name is WordPress. When I created this host name, I have entered that my database name is WordPress, right? So I am giving the same name here, and for every system the local server username is root. If you are using Mac, then you will have a password also same as root, and your host name is correct localhost, and this is table prefixes. That means WordPress is going to modify your database structure. It is going to create some tables in your database. For those tables, it will prefix the names WP underscore. If you want it to change, you can change this. Okay. Right. Now I'm not going to change this. I'm okay with this WP underscore. Click on submit. Alright, now we can run the installation. The necessary configuration has been completed. Now we are going to run the installation. In the site title field, you can mention your website name. For example, my website, and the username. This username is for your WordPress database. Right, my username is admin and password is password only. You can give whatever username and passwords you need. Okay, and confirm the weak passwords. You can mention your email address, like admin at wordpress.com. This is not a right email address. You need to enter your own email addresses. Okay, so click on install WordPress button. Once you click on that button, our WordPress installation is successfully completed. Just go to login page, or you can directly go to WordPress URL. Now you will see that we have a website called WordPress. Okay, now if you wanted to log into your dashboards, you just go to /wp-admin. There you will find that there is a login page. You need to enter your login credentials, which we have given when the installation process. Those are my credentials is admin, password is password. You just click on login, it will take you to WordPress dashboard. Alright, so we are in WordPress dashboard officially. Right, so this is how we will install WordPress in our local system. So in the further videos we will learn about WordPress, WordPress features and functionalities, everything, to create how to create a custom themes, how to create a custom plugins, how to use existing themes and plugins. We will learn all the functionalities in the WordPress. Okay, I think you have learned some information from this video. If you like this information, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.